How to turn off two-factor authentication in Instagram. Open your Instagram application and sign into your Instagram account. Now tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now from the settings and activity page, select Account Center under your account at the top. Here on the account settings, select password and security, and you have to select two-factor authentication. Here you need to choose an account that you want to turn off the two-factor authentication off. Then you need to tap on SMS or WhatsApp and toggle off the button of SMS or WhatsApp. Now select turn off button. So that is how you easily turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.